Hello. This quick tutorial is all about NC Live. With over 90 databases of resources including books and periodicals, NC Live is the next best thing to a library. To access NC Live, you can go to nclive.org or forsythtech.edu, click TechLink, College Services on the left, scroll down for Library, and here you will see NC Live. Note, the NC Live password changes each academic year and will be listed here. You'll need this later. Click NC Live. We want to click Select Your Library, the drop-down box, scroll down for Forsyth Technical Community College, and click Login. Here's where we need that password. It's important to note that NC Live will only require you to enter a password and select your college if you are logging in off campus. If you are logging in on campus, you will not need to enter a password or select your college to access NC Live. From here, you can search articles, ebooks, videos, all sorts of subjects including test prep, language learning, career development. NC Live is a repository of North Carolina's statewide library cooperative with over 200 member libraries. The possibilities are endless. If you would like more support, please contact Library Services at 336-734-7219.